because the money NPP a complete irrenim. Osha, I said, "Then I see the papers or the Corifurata." Senebeya, President Mahama may allow him to continue his job because yes, Ken may have done certain things on toward ISM Kwambia Sumarandi, but the approach and methods are.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Favour Ghana Sem TV GH so what frame Ajowa Sh0cking. I was full Ora Kwame Adinkra and Ani crew. Almo host the political show and Pure FM and Omokasi. Now almost say you see boss no Mammy Jane Mensa. I am not the vice president Omudia Sinzia Mekamo, but we didn't Jane Mensa. Unimu washenda she the NDC for the year ura Dampare pe Favour FNDC for intina Ablekuma north about no so almost aso ntuni bi ono na NPP for no mo ye because we a total insisi and our DSC NPP for no how so one kase wa be kase wuhia security now they declare abano and that also once aso kwato abani ebio asem meeting and the when you see what I'm looking at him for Favour na open uchu and the betting per crying this will be you. No new this for some media Fijina ho I shall boss or bapa on baby in Crawford in want it. We don't be with it. Didn't think some of our family Adinkra and any crew a day at Suja.
Treno, Yajai, Yasalati Makumako 19. Okay.
Yeah.
What's in 19 free 90 my cousin?
Rebecca 16.
So 16 no, uncle for free.
Na 19 no crano. First trainer na outstanding no. Ako edi 19 na ye kwa run.
And 16 no, and also dia didn't see ho. And also pink sheet no, ya titi mana. And say court sabla court show mo say omunko no. Amasa court. Ako ha cho mo say. Nyamuka na yedi fanya na.
No ye pasi isi na modwen won say.
Isi. Isi say mentase.
Eno tina yeso mkofie no.
Okay.
We never lethargic. Has a wow, but what hold is all the no keke. And as I would say, my lazy approach to a lot of things. And me, bad media space, nipa bakwa, or media person, me bunupa coffee bento, because of his brutal honesty and sharp brain. One day, I guy back no count, Bryce Simmons. As for Friday, Franklin could do the may head and funny serious sometimes. For Kofi Bento to say, the commissioners are not fit for purpose. Kwame is a serious statement. They should just resign and go. Or,
so are we also saying, sir? And no more my innovations on that bar.
No, the commission is fit for purpose.
Okay,
let's get it well. Me, I have always defended
the handless.
The handless. And they promote crack. Where me, woman name no beka say, NPP for so good Charlotte no. I was not a fan of it one bit. Because to me, Charlotte was doing the best she could. Kwame Jumana inya ya bidano. Enya better say the aye no. What I said, the cost of my Jumana cost no a lot. Then now doctor to me could join hospital. I pass you operation. Light a cry or the baby operation crime. The pansu ye. You see Tamalaya, Akando, Anthony Wasi. And daily occurrences in the country, they manage how we survive through this on Onyamengwanim. It say, oh, had the problem in a good papa say, it's unfair. But sometimes, I don't know substitutes in football match. Players can be lethargic. You say, oh, train, and then any day. And I yeah. So G must realize and we must say NPP for NDC for Ahromia, NPP for Baya, Zubebeji opposition 5 months, but more Satia Hromi, me Gideon. Yes, I will call Kuso. Salo Karamkas when you may be. When we in any 3 months for an appointment. And justice in America and Dinka because PK supported as a Ombas of Mishalato say Supreme Court. Or a lawyer only case that as a committee in the Supreme Court. And answer. So there's a future ahead of you. If nothing at all, your party may come back again. If not, that easy crana. Na hard cast the cry, umwadi. Then not go here or in a man. And a busy grab. Now, Sh0cking. ti ko nya no abotre no woni no boss man nyina anko na fe we matna fia criticize achi ebia omonu nu ma hu se nipa so mese obenti bi betima ya omfa ne mra ne entese ade ne hwe ade but the institution as a EC itself no there it has its challenges and everything but I think say I will live to the purpose since 1982 yeah I've overdo this time and a lot of things are very transparent yen kotwa ba senye ne mo hu se ma gaga na betuma atwa ba bra to ko bi ansi omo mo paso mo kono amkoko. No. And then how do you blame the entire commission? No. But for non-dealings with some of these things, Kwame, I don't know. Oi, who be bubo? I saw bubo luto. No one wafun. What boy we da me matino? I feel 5 minutes later, I can say 77. No, 171. Hey, Kwame, say what we man the beji salute to the debut. It is say you have poor by with all the time mind the man who I say 1 week I say 8 days to was enough quality what calculator be computer Excel sheet need a crutch for doctor for one that it is a commission also number more wrong no position how many calculator at me ya no the right figures about Anyako no we are wajatum na ya che me say me I just don't want us to easy like that but say persistence as well what are you trying to build now they are two now because the money NPP say a complete irrenimu osha I said the kisia jabe pass odi konfurata say be ya president Mahama may allow him to continue his job because yes Ken may have done certain things on toward Kwambia Sumarandi but the approach and methods are Papa Edeye Keno is very very insulting to put my name on what Interpol konfurata
and no as say
I get all our from friend
all right
This aban na enye prudent otimi fa nipa na 100 to office no monye hwe na no yese Ghana gas almost staff na also omo ye 55 say o ma 3000 adwuma na o say 55 na ye aban bi aba no o fa bi gum nti obi mo ho omo ni adwuma ye private sector bi en ho tese aban a o han nipa basabasa enti menti ase say fa minister of employment a ontumi employ nipa ontumi create employment avenues na mayiwa ne mabawa na mabonten da biesu epe adwuma ye obitimi wie university wie masters no otifie onya adwuma ye okokai say ye entrepreneur na ne mu yi minister of employment ayeden mo yi minister the functions so be create employment opportunities or minimum no obi anya decent job oba wi a say school na wakono you don't need to put pressure on government say ope adwuma obi amfa na adwene nya adwuma na ne mema adwene na me adwuma wo so minister ne trafiefo adwene ya adwuma e wo so wo ya employment minister ayede it is your job dia na why am private sector for na ene you want Dr. Kwaku otin $20 million say doctor ye hu se unim kwan e fa so bi adwuma e fa nipa na wonko amafa nipa 5000 a free Ghana labor force no mamaye 5,000 ye enough America will be for 5,000 e chese o man no yi bread in a free pressure enti je $20 million adwen a wo a wo di create adwuma yi fa create e bi ka ho na fa 5,000 more boy oje 20 na no adane no aye ne 40 no afa 10,000 wo yi pressure free government ne so enti Ashanti regional no yi nipa o mo ye unemployed 10,000 aban no timi de onsasi so say me boa Dr. Kwaku otin say onsi factory e di produce drinks na yen koto bi from Ethiopia na yen my employment am Ethiopia for ye kofa drinks fruit juice from Ethiopia na nsawom si ha drink company or from say
Ekunfi juice
na ni so ye bri no ba aban bi abadi wo ya we no onko biemu o
Asegu citrus factory egu
company